Do you need anything from him?
No, I'm good to go, man. We're gonna get you set up.
I know you're busy. I'm not gonna hold you up for now. I'll just probably give you a call up, tomorrow this time and report back what's going on.
Perfect. Sounds good.
Thank you for your help.
All right.
Cheers.
All right. We'll talk to you later.
Thank you. Bye.
All right. Bye.
I think we should take a picture of all the faults, So